So we're talking to León Markovitz, co-founder and CMO of WikiBrains. And what brings you to the Web Summit today?
Well, first of all, we're really excited to see all of this buzz around high tech, and we're really excited to be in Dublin and see how it's growing. We're here just to meet more entrepreneurs, get to know Dublin, and spread the word about WikiBrains.
So tell us a bit about WikiBrains.
So WikiBrains is a search engine for connections, and we allow people to quickly understand how topics are interrelated. With search at the moment, if you want to understand how different topics may be interconnected, it's a process that can take hours and can be frustrating, especially if you're a blogger. That's what we're trying to fix. We're trying to make it really easy for people to simply search for topics and quickly find interconnections and create quick visual maps.
Search has always been a key driver in the tech industry. That's where Google started out. And they're even moving on to things like knowledge search and knowledge graphs and semantic search. Is that what inspired you?
Well, we've been inspired mainly by several books on where ideas come from and how is creativity started. And it all goes back to connecting the dots, right? That's what really inspired us. And of course, the large search engines are a big motivation, but I wouldn't point it there. I would point it to all the works on creativity and ideas, where do they come from. That's what we're trying to engineer creativity in a way, I suppose.
And where is WikiBrains based at the moment?
Tel Aviv, but we have a multinational team. The whole five of us come from different continents, and that's also the sort of multi-pluralism and multiculturalism that we want to promote on the WikiBrains culture as well.
Could you tell us a bit about the Tel Aviv startup scene, because we've heard a lot of great companies coming out of there?
So Tel Aviv startup culture, it's great. I don't know if you've been, and if you haven't, you should. You can meet fascinating people from all areas, whether it's from marketing or from big data, and it's for many reasons. The army is one of them. It's a very warm clique. You can get to know anybody that you would like to meet, no matter if he's an established CEO. You just need to send him an email, and he's more likely to welcome you for a quick cup of coffee. And I believe that this sort of easy relationship is what allows for this environment to be a fertile space for startups to be successful. Most of them, not all of them, of course. But yeah.
And you're only here for a few days, but how do you think they compare the Dublin startup scene and the Tel Aviv startup scene?
Well, I just arrived here yesterday. I still need to check. I need to check out all of the startups that are pitching and exhibiting. I will get back to you on that question, for sure.
And you're here today to pitch, and what kind of outcomes are you hoping to get out of the Web Summit?
Well, we're expecting that to get more exposure, that people will really understand what WikiBrains is about, to start contributing to the community, because WikiBrains is powered by the crowds. And this sort of crowd is the one that we're interested in, people that are intellectually curious and will contribute interesting maps and interesting associations to WikiBrains. So we're really excited.
And I first came across WikiBrains through covering Mindset, which is an EdTech accelerator.
Right.
EdTech is a huge area at the moment. Is that something that you're going to keep pursuing?
Absolutely. So EdTech, educational technology, is something that we are really passionate about. We believe that the time has come for all of the startups that are focused on EdTech to facilitate learning and education. And Mindset, what you just mentioned, it's the first startup incubator done by CET, which is a Center for Educational Technology. We're in their first batch. We just closed a round that was led by them. We are really excited to be working with them. We're really excited to be meeting people on the EdTech field. In Twitter, they are very connected. It's also a small-knit community. Everybody's really passionate. So yeah, when you mix startups with education and entrepreneurship, it's a wonderful combination. So we're really happy to be positioned there.